Hello and welcome to our channel where we share tips and tricks to make your travels easier and more enjoyable. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most important aspects of planning a trip, selecting the perfect location for your tour. When selecting a location for your tour, there are a few things to consider. 1. Interests and preferences. What kind of activities do you enjoy? Do you prefer exploring big cities or natural landscapes? Are you interested in history, art, or adventure sports? These are all important factors to consider when selecting a location. 2. Budget. How much are you willing to spend on your trip? Some destinations may be more expensive than others, so it's important to keep your budget in mind when selecting a location. 3. Time of year. The time of year can also play a role in the location selection. Some destinations are better to visit during certain seasons, such as skiing in the winter or beach destinations during the summer. 4. Accessibility. How easy is it to get to your chosen destination? Consider factors such as flight availability, visa requirements, and transportation options. 5. Safety. Safety is always a concern when traveling, so be sure to research any potential safety concerns before selecting your destination. Outro. So there you have it, folks. When selecting a location for your tour, consider your interests and preferences, budget, time of year, accessibility, and safety. With a little research and planning, you can find the perfect location for your next adventure. Thanks for watching, and happy travels!